It is a beautiful morning, and we are in a parking lot of an abandoned motel. Ryan described it as a Bates Motel type place.
It kind of is, huh?
Yeah.
Pedros Blancos light station is just up the road, and that's what we're gonna go see. But you have to come here because it's completely blocked off. You can't go there unless you have tickets. So they make you come here to this creepy motel to get murdered first, and then you go out there.
Oh, as a ghost.
Mm-hmm. And you go floating around.
We're gonna go haunt a lighthouse today.
Yes.
They should put that in the brochure. Is that what they put in the brochure?
Yeah, it's the haunting of the lighthouse.
Oh.
Come to the creepy motel, get murdered, and go haunt the lighthouse.
April Fools.
Do we have to go somewhere? People are going somewhere. Should we go look? Let's go look.
Okay, so, seatbelt on. All right, so we met in the parking lot, and we got a little bit of an orientation from a BLM employee, and he broke us up into groups of 3.
We're group 1, we're the best.
And our groups, I guess, we're just getting paired up. They're doing small groups, so social distancing can be done. And there's 3 different docents that are going to give us more information, and then they release us onto the property. So right now we are caravanning with all the other cars so that everybody is, again, social distanced. I was like, are we getting bussed? That doesn't seem safe, but no, we just caravan, and I'll show you.
And have everybody come over here because the lighthouse property is locked up and usually blocked off to the public. So you come here, get everybody grouped up, and then they all have to open the gate once.
Here we go.
So we're all caravanning, and we're going really slow on Highway 1.
He has his flashers on.
I know.
We're not going very far.
We're with government employees, it's okay. Apparently they can do whatever they want.
Boy, I feel bad for anybody who's coming up behind us. This is a group of about, what, like 8 or 9 cars, all going 25 miles an hour on a main highway.
Pretty sure this is how they came to this lighthouse 100 years ago. Dun, dun, dun,
We made it!
Dun, 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 dun. I like this kind of stuff. Like
Yeah.
that building is original to 1909. The lighthouse is original to 1870. It's this and like some of the old railroad stuff is I find really cool because it's like you can watch old movies or pictures or whatever, but when you actually like come and walk through it, it's like you get to see what it was actually like, kind of. I don't know. It's like living history. I like it. I find it fascinating. I don't know why, but I do. It's cool.
Pretty fantastic place for a lighthouse, huh?
Yeah. They always have the best coastlines for the lighthouse. They're always the most interesting. Because you always have rocks and waves crashing against them.
There's a bunch of elephant seal pups down there teaching themselves to swim and playing with each other. It sounds like college kids on spring break.
Sounds like you're yelling. There's so many of them in that little tiny coat.
Spring break! Woo! That's what it sounds like.
Lighthouse is up on the hill. Behind it are the housing buildings and all that for the people that ran it. Down here, down the hill, this is the fuel oil building that they used to store all the fuel to run everything. Down here, this building was used for the pumps for the air horns and big air canisters for the foghorns. And that building to the side was the blacksmith shop.
There are a lot of lizards running around out here. Western fence lizards. And they remind me of my childhood. And I really want to try and catch one. But that's probably not the best idea. Probably just want to respect the wildlife. But there are a lot of lizards. This has been a really cool day. And it's not even noon yet. Ryan and I are enjoying a lighthouse tour, and it's totally our speed of tour because they kind of give you some information and then they just let you go off to explore. I guess there are some benefits to COVID restrictions. They don't want us in a group with a bunch of other people, so they're not doing guided tours. They just have docents all over the grounds in different locations. And you can stop, and they're super chatty and super helpful, and they have lots of information. And there is a group from NOAA. I think that's a porta potty that I'm pointing to, but there's a group from NOAA out back that way, and they're counting whales today of mother-baby combos, or they call them cow and calf, and they're tracking those movements. And we've already seen some whales today with some really great fluke sort of situations as they dive. And I think Ryan's getting ready to go. I'm hungry. So we got to start thinking about lunch.
We have to go.
I'm always thinking about lunch unless we're thinking about dinner.
It's true. We have to go find the Fresnel lens from the top of the lighthouse.
Oh yeah, the top of the lighthouse is in a neighboring town called Cambria.
So is one of the houses that used to be here.
They picked up one of the houses and moved it to Cambria, and apparently it is now a vacation house. And I thought our car was stolen because I couldn't see it. And it's right there. Oh, there it is. There it is. It was such a small group today. It's almost like we have the place to ourselves. I feel like there were almost as many docents as there were visitors. So it's been kind of quiet and nice, and we haven't felt uncomfortable at all.
Look at how they just piled dirt and rocks up.
I know. Well, am I rushing you off? We don't have to leave yet if you're not ready.
We got like 4 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
We should probably get going.
We should probably leave. And let them have their lunch break. Kindness, people. Practice kindness and thoughtfulness. Bye, Lighthouse.